Dear students, I think you all have watched the previous video carefully. So here we are going to discuss some questions first. Okay, then we will continue our next cell organelles. So my first question is, chromosomes carry dash. Chromosomes carry dash. Answer is genes. Chromosomes पे क्या होते हैं? Genes. We have discussed all the some questions earlier also. So once more I am going to discuss these questions with you all. Some questions are new here and some question 1 or 2 is old. Next, dash are called suicidal bags of the cells. Suicidal bags cells के कौन से होते हैं? We have discussed now only. Answer is lysosomes. Suicidal bags are known as lysosomes. Okay, or lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. Next question. Dash is called brain of the cell. Brain of cell क्या है? किसे बोलते हैं? You may write all these answers in your notebook. Then you may match your answers with my answers. Okay. In this way you can learn yourself कि we have learned this much ourselves. Okay. The next answer is nucleus. Nucleus is called brain of the cell. Okay, this question we have done now only about endoplasmic reticulum in our previous video. I think you all have watched that carefully. Which ER is involved in detoxification of the cell? Means कौन सा endoplasmic reticulum है जो cells को detoxify करता है? Two were there. One is RER and one is SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So which one is involved in detoxification of the cell? Answer is SER. Yes, answer is SER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in detoxification of the cell. Next, which is the most commonly used staining agent? Staining agent, remember this question which we have done when I was telling about कि how we can stain the cells of onion peel, कि हम उनको कलर प्रोवाइड कैसे कर सकते हैं. Two were there. I have given answers of two. That two are there. Which are two? One is safranin and another one is methylene blue. Methylene blue. Two are there. Okay. So two staining agents are there, safranin and methylene blue. Next question. Who described Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus किसने describe किया था? It was described by whom? Answer is Camillo Golgi. It was described by Camillo Golgi. Is it fine? I think you all are doing your answers yourself also. You are matching your answers. After this na comment your marks in your comment section to me कि ma'am we get out of 7 these much marks. I will see. Okay, just don't forget to mention marks there. Next, the thread like structures present in the nucleus are. कौन से thread like structures present है nucleus में? These are known as what? Write down answer. I will write my answer. Okay, I am giving 1 second to write down your answers, everyone. Written by everyone. The answer is chromosomes. The thread-like structures present in the nucleus are known as chromosomes. Okay. So I think you all have seen all the answers. Let us revise once more. Chromosomes carry genes. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cells. Nucleus is called brain of the cell. Next, which ER is involved in the detoxification of the cell? Answer is SER, means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, which is the most commonly used staining agent? Answer is safranin or methylene blue. Next one, who described Golgi apparatus? Answer is Camillo Golgi. Next, the thread-like structures present in the nucleus are. Answer is chromosomes. So you may just see all these answers once. Don't worry, I will send all these answers to you. You may check here also. So we were discussing about cell organelles. We will discuss here about our next organelle. I think you all have learned the previous organelles very well. Have you done? Have you revised the previous organelles very well? So next we are going to start here plastids. It is also a cell organelle. Okay, it is also a cell organelle, plastid. Like others was there na, like endoplasmic reticulum was there, lysosomes was there, Golgi apparatus was there. Okay, it is also a cell organelle. जो सिर्फ किस में present है? It is only present in the plant cells. Plastids are present only in the plant cells. Why? Because जो इनमें pigment present है, okay, the pigments which are present in the plastids, they are having their specific role for their functions. Okay, like if we will talk about the process photosynthesis here, if we will talk about photosynthesis, it is done, it is carried out by the plants only with the help of the chlorophyll. It is carried out by chlorophyll, and chlorophyll from where it came? Because it is there in the chloroplast. ये किस में है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट. और क्लोरोप्लास्ट किसकी टाइप है? प्लास्टिड्स की. क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज द टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिड्स. दैट इज वाई वी कैन से these are only present in the plant cells. Because photosynthesis process जो है performed by only the plants, animals and human beings. They cannot perform this process. They are not having this process now. It is only performed by the plant cells. So plastids, these are present only in the plant cells. They are having their specific role for their functions. Okay, so there are the three types of the plastids. Three types of the plastids are there. Three types. These three types are chloroplast. Second one is chromoplast. And the third one is leucoplast. Okay, chloroplast, as we know, these are the green pigments, green colored pigments, green colored pigments. They are having chlorophyll in them. They are having chlorophyll in them, by which they can prepare their own food. Chromoplast, these are the non-green pigments. Non-green pigments which gives colors to the fruits and flowers. Okay, fruits and flowers. The color is being provided to fruits and flowers by the chromoplast. Okay, if we will talk about the leucoplast, okay, leucoplast, इनका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? टू स्टोर स्टार्च एंड फैट्स. स्टार्च और फैट्स को स्टोर करना. ओके, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. और these are the colorless pigments. These are the colorless pigments. So let us discuss once more. Plastids only present in the plant cells. These will not be there in the animal cells. Okay, three types है. Because of the presence of their pigments, they are having specific role to perform. Three types कौन सी हैं? Chloroplast, green colored pigment है, they are having chlorophyll in them. Green color pigment, that is chlorophyll. Chromoplast, these are the non-green pigments which gives color to the fruits and flowers. These are the colorless pigments which are used to store starch and fats. Clear? Okay. So the next one which we are going to discuss here, that is vacuole. We will discuss about vacuole here. Vacuole. Vacuole, it will be large in size in the plant cells. Vacuole किस में large होगा? It will be large in size in plant cells. Okay, it will be small in size comparatively animal cells. We will discuss the difference of plant and animal cells also. Okay, we will discuss the difference of plant and animal cells also. I think two difference came to you already here कि जो vacuole है it will be large in the plant cells, it will be small in the animal cells. And one more difference I think you came to know when we were doing about plastids. Difference is that the chlorophyll is there, or you can say chloroplasts are in the plant cells, it is absent in the animal cells. अब vacuole का main function क्या है? Storage of water and food. Okay, it is mainly filled with the water. Clear? Mainly filled with the water. और store करना किसको? Food को और water को. Okay, so I request you all to go through the video once. We have discussed some questions. We have discussed about the plastids and we have discussed here about the vacuole. Okay, if any doubt is there, if any query is there, you may ask in the comment section. Okay, please go through the video carefully. Thank you.